Hey, thanks for stopping by at Twisted Art Designs. I wanted to talk about these Shuttle Art acrylic paint markers. I received this set from Mimi. Thank you so much, Mimi, from my Amazon wish list as a birthday gift. And I have played around with them, I've swatched them, and I've got to say I am completely blown away. I have been for years using Uniposca, Montana, Molotow. I've used off-brand paint markers that are just, you know, typical paint pens. I've used the Grabby brand, which I do like those for paint pens. So I've tried a lot of different ones. Oh, and the Karin ones, which are quite expensive, and I was not impressed at all with how they lasted or the use of them. So surprisingly, I didn't care for them, and they were really expensive. So I am a paint pen enthusiast. I use them in my art journaling a lot. So it's one of my favorite art supplies, and I'm so excited that I saw these from someone else's post on TikTok, and I read the reviews about them, and they just looked fabulous, and I put it in my wish list. So Mimi, I'm just so excited and so happy to have these as a birthday gift. You're a super sweetie. Thank you so much. And I want to just show you what they look like, and then show you the swatches and talk about these pens a little bit and why I'm so blown away. The very first thing that I noticed about these are colors. The colors are so different from Posca, Uniposca pens. There's a lot of colors that you could use for doing portraits, and the greens and browns and blues, they're very natural looking, so you could use them for nature and all kinds of things like that. I love the colors. Look at these beautiful colors, and look how smooth the paint is. I swatched this, and they come in this beautiful case, so it's 3 layers of paints. And the nice thing about this is they have a window on the barrel that shows the paint inside, which is really cool. So you can see the paint. There's a little marbly thing in there for shaking them up and getting them to shake up well. They're brush tip, which is nice, but they've got a fine point, beautiful for doing brush lettering, which is going to be so cool on my art journal pages. Brush lettering, and then you could blend the colors in with brush lettering. This is acrylic paint, and it does blend with a water brush. I tried that, so that's pretty awesome too. It comes with the swatch sheets. It comes with a spare in case you make a mistake. It comes with swatch sheets so you can swatch them on black, which I thought was kind of cool. I haven't finished doing that yet, but you can swatch on black. It comes with some watercolor papered images that you can play around with the inks and try painting with them. And then it explains more about how they're created. So they're auto ink control instead of cotton core, and that is the difference totally that I can see. It's got a brush tip, a comfort grip, an auto ink control, and ink color. So with that auto ink control, it feeds the ink really smoothly. There's no skips or blobs or frayed areas like you get sometimes with Uniposca, and you're writing with Uniposca. They tend to spurt out this little tiny bits of ink, so you get these little flary things off of it. These are super smooth. You don't ever have to press them down. You know, with other paint pens, you have to press them to get the ink to go into the chamber. These are auto control, so the ink automatically by this spring action goes into the chamber. So you just shake it to blend the ink, pop the lid off, and start using them. So super smooth and fun. Let me just show you one real quick. And I sound like I'm doing a sales pitch, and I'm not. I just love them. I'm so impressed. Look how smooth that paint goes down. It is super smooth, and you can get a nice fine tip. So they just go down super smooth. Look at that paint. It's gorgeous. They're gorgeous. Let me put down a little orange and show you blending. Grab a water brush. Oops, I've got blue on my tip here. But look at how nicely you can blend it too. So if you're adding water to it, because it's acrylic paint, acrylic ink paint, look at how pretty you can blend with a water brush. Pretty amazing. So I couldn't be happier with this. Again, thank you, Mimi. How fun. I can't wait to use these in my upcoming videos on my art journal pages. So I just thought I'd show them and give them a shout out because as far as Shuttle art, I've never really looked at them because I thought that the lower price point was maybe that they weren't quality, but the quality is 1,000 plus on this one, and I'll put a link in the description box below for these pens for you to find them because they are different. Shuttle Art does carry other acrylic paint pens, but these are the auto ink ones, and they are a little bit different, but oh my gosh, love them so much. And if you love paint pens as much as I do, these are a must-have for your stash. Look at those beautiful colors and beautiful, beautiful paint. So if you love paint pens, these are the best, best, best. So go check these out and make some art because art soothes the heart. Thanks for stopping by. Have a great day.